if there were no NDA. PM Modi stresses unity at alliance meet ahead of Bihar VP polls. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) parliamentary party meeting on Monday morning. Besides his clear messaging on Operation Sindoor and the Supreme Court calling out Rahul Gandhi's statements against the country, there was significant communication for the NDA partners as well. PM Modi praised Amit Shah as the longest-serving Home Minister after L.K. Advani, calling it just the beginning of a long journey, highlighting Shah's growing importance within the government. He recalled the efforts of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Advani in bringing leaders like George Fernandez, Bal Thackeray, and Nitish Kumar together, referring to Nitish affectionately as Babu. Modi noted that without this coalition, the opposition would have had a free hand to ruin the state with dirty politics. The PM reiterated the NDA's principle of allowing the strongest ally to lead in each region, a pointed message to reinforce the alliance dynamics in Bihar. This is crucial messaging ahead of the big Bihar elections, emphasizing that every individual and party should play to their strengths without feeling pressured. The most important message was that the NDA is a cohesive unit and will work as one, an MP of the alliance from Bihar told CNN News 18. Another significant message to the opposition ahead of the vice presidential election is that the united front of the NDA not only has the numbers but also a common interest in the country. This is an alliance that has stood the test of time, with most partners together for over 25 years. We are united in our effort to work for the country and believe in unified leadership, another NDA leader told CNN News 18. Swipe left for next video. Modi criticized the Congress for demanding a discussion on Operation Sindoor, describing it as a strategic misstep using the Hindi idiom Phir main pathar marna, hit oneself on the foot with the rock. As Modi intensified his criticism of the Congress, those present responded with another idiom Aa bail mujhi mar, encouraging him to continue his takedown of the opposition. Latest blogs.